One morning, Little Ant invited Elephant to his home. "Come to my house," Ant said happily. Little Elephant came with 2 apples. He walked to the door. But Ant's door was very small. It was even smaller than Elephant's toe. "Oh no," said Elephant. "I can't get inside." Ant stopped and thought. "Wait, I have an idea," said Ant. Ant called his little friends. Heave ho, heave ho! They carried the food outside. They spread a big picnic mat. "Elephant, come sit here." Plop! Little Elephant sat down. They laughed and ate together. With friends, every place is a happy place. Like and follow.